Welcome to this micro webinar on how to get your Cardiff Met email and Teams onto your devices, onto your phones, onto your desktop computers. So first of all, let's start with Outlook on your phones, email on your phones. It is the Outlook app that you need to install. And we do have guidance on how to install this on our training pages, which I will give you a link to in a second. So you go to help and training on our website and then flash guides and then email, student email, and then the operating system of the phone that you're looking to configure. So I'll start by showing the iOS instructions. So this is for your Apple devices. So you go to the App Store on your phone or your tablet, iPad, and search for the Microsoft Outlook app. It does have to be the Outlook app. You can't configure the native mail client anymore. So the mail app on your phone, that won't work. So download Microsoft Outlook from the App Store and then open it. And then when you open it, you need to add in your Cardiff Met email using your student number at Outlook. Okay, so that's the bit to remember, at outlook.cardiffmet.ac.uk. Okay, if your staff, SM, and then your staff number at cardiffmet.ac.uk. You'll then be prompted for your password. So put your password in, and then an MFA request will be triggered. So you need to find the Authenticator app on your phone and approve that request. Okay, if you're using SMS, then you'll get a text message. Much better to use the app though. Okay, and then if that all goes well, you should see your inbox, and you can also switch to your calendar as well using the Outlook app. For Android, the instructions are pretty similar. Okay, you go to the Google Play Store, search for Outlook and install it. But you do also need this thing called the Intune Company Portal that will be installed alongside it. It's just so we can manage the email on your device, because it's a Cardiff Met email. We need to have certain rights to manage it. Okay, so you add your email address as before, remembering that at outlook.cardiffmet.ac.uk bit. Okay. So that is how to configure your mobile phones with your Cardiff Met email. What about the desktop? We have a guide here, email from home. Again, I'll post the direct links in a second. So just to say that you can access your email through portal.office.com for one thing. Okay, portal.office.com. And then you can access Outlook there to get to your email in the web browser. That's a convenient way of accessing it. But you may also want to have the full version of Outlook on your computer, so that you can, for example, work with your emails offline and use the full range of features in Outlook, such as quick steps and rules and so on. So to do that, first of all, make sure you have Outlook installed. So if you've installed Office from portal.office.com, then Outlook is part of that. Okay, so you open Outlook on your computer, go to the File tab and add account, and then put in your Cardiff Met email address. Again, remembering that at Outlook bit, and then tick let me set up my account manually. Select outlook.com and then put in your email and password again. Okay. Chances are if you've installed Office, then it will have configured Outlook at the same time. So you may not need to do that step there. Okay. As for Teams, Teams is installed when you install Office as well. And it's just a case then of starting Teams and signing in to your student account again. Okay, so you can find Teams on your computer and just sign into it when you start that app. Okay, so I'll stop the recording now.